Welcome fellow car lovers. There are two GMC SUV that are able to seat more than 5 passengers, and since they are not exactly cheap, we need to figure out which is worth buying. I am talking about the 2024 GMC Acadia and the 2024 GMC Yukon. Let's go take a look at these two vehicles. The Acadia is new for 2024 as it enters its third generation. The V6 has been dropped this year, replaced by a turbocharged 328 horsepower, 2.5-liter inline-4. The Acadia has grown in this redesign, riding on a 10.6-inch longer wheelbase. It's also taller by 3.2 inches. If the 2024 GMC Yukon and the long wheelbase Yukon XL seem very similar to the Chevy Tahoe and Suburban, it's because they are. Cut from the same giant sheet of cloth, the full-size Yukon lives as big as its Chevy counterparts, providing the same interior space but designed to portray a fancier lifestyle. The GMC Acadia comes with only one engine option, and it is a 2.5-liter turbo-charged inline-4, making 328 horsepower to either the front wheels or all four. Maximum towing capacity is 5,000 pounds, while combined MPG rating is 21 to 23 miles per gallon. MSRP starts at $43,995 to $57,695. In the other hand, the GMC Yukon comes standard with a 5.3-liter V8 producing 355 horsepower, while a 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower and a 3.0-liter Duramax inline-6 diesel engine, producing 277 horsepower, are also available. Combined MPG rating for these engines are in the range of 16 to 22 miles per gallon. MSRP starts at $58,200 to $98,755. Although the GMC Acadia is a cheaper vehicle, it still has many pros. Unlike the GMC Yukon, the Acadia comes with more standard features such as blind spot monitor, heated seats and wireless phone charging. It also comes standard with a 15-inch infotainment screen, while the Yukon only has a 10.2-inch screen available. Lastly, the car gets blind zone steering assist and not just an alert like the Yukon. Like other vehicles, the Acadia also has bad characteristics. For one, the car only has a ground clearance of 7.3 inches, while the Yukon has 8 inches. While the car comes with an available heads-up display, it is 7 inches smaller than the one available in the Yukon. Being smaller also means it can't seat up to 9 passengers, unlike the Yukon. The GMC Yukon's pros mostly involves features that the Acadia doesn't offer. Unlike the Acadia, the Yukon comes available with a Bose 18-speaker sound system. As a more premium vehicle, it's also available with 16-way massaging power front seats as well as air ride adaptive suspension for a smooth and relaxing ride. However, the Yukon is also missing features a premium SUV should have. As a more expensive vehicle, it is surprising that cloth seats are standard and not leatherette like the Acadia. The Yukon doesn't even offer remote start, while remote start comes standard in the Acadia. Also, while the Acadia comes with a bicyclist alert for when passengers open doors, the Yukon doesn't offer such feature. In summary, while the Acadia is a more affordable option, it comes with more and better standard features than the Yukon. It may not have as powerful of an engine or as many trim options, but it has an off-road focused AT4 trim available, and the one engine it offers will save you more gas per mile. The Yukon is a full-size SUV that may not have as many standard features, but has more premium features available like air ride and massaging seats. Not only can it seat 9 people, but it has 3 engine options, with diesel being one to save more fuel. An off-road oriented AT4 trim is also available. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 GMC Acadia. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.